Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add parts in Onshape. So basically what we need to do is create a new part studio right here and basically sketch a new part in other part studio because it is the right way to do if this is the most efficient, because if you need to, let's say I will make 3 parts in one, it will basically be bad. I need to make in different part studios. But if you want to make in one, what I can do is show you one way how you can do that is basically go and find the derived tool, and right here select the part studio. You can select from the other documents and click owned by me, and right here you'll be able to select different parts. As you can see, click create new version in untitled document, click create, and now it will basically create and import that to your part studio. So let's see how it goes. I will need to select a part 1 and just drop it right here, and now you'll be able to see that you have 2 parts right here. So now you can minimize that part or just change the location of it, but that's how you import a other part in Onshape. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.